Everyone, and welcome to today's prevention challenge. Today we are going to learn how to make homemade bubble solution and pipe cleaner bubble wands. So we'll start with our bubble wand. I am going to take a pipe cleaner and I'm going to twist it into whatever shape. I picked a circle. I'm going to twist it and really just get it into whatever shape that I want. Okay. Once I'm happy with that, here's my wand. I'm going to put it down. And to make this bubble solution, our ingredients and the materials that we need are a cup or a bowl, 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of dish soap. The instructions are: you mix 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Measure this carefully. 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Here's 1 and 2. Like that. Now, the thing that's important is that when we mix it all together, we need to mix it gently so that you don't make too much foam. Make sure you mix for at least 30 seconds until everything is mixed in, but there's not too much foam. Once you've done that, you can grab your bubble wand, dip it all the way in so it submerges completely, and then you can keep trying until you get as many bubbles as you want. Have a great day.